In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable test mode for a payment gateway in Shopify. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the admin area, head over to your settings menu and select payments. This is the section where Shopify lets you manage how customers can pay at checkout, including your primary provider and any extra payment options you want to offer. When the payments page opens, take a moment to look through the available sections. Near the top, you may see Shopify payments if it's already enabled on the store. For this tutorial, continue scrolling down until you find the area labeled Supported Payment Methods or Additional Payment Methods. The exact label can vary a little depending on your store setup or Shopify's current interface, so don't worry if the wording looks slightly different. What matters is finding the section where you can add or manage other gateways. Once you're there, click Add Payment Methods or choose a provider. This will open the list of available payment gateway options that Shopify supports. If you already know which gateway you want to work with, use the search field to find it more quickly. For example, you might be looking for a provider such as PayPal or Stripe. Depending on what's available for your store and region, after you find the gateway you want, select it to begin setup. Shopify will usually ask you to enter the required account details or connection credentials for that provider. At this stage, carefully enter the information requested by the payment gateway. Make sure everything is typed accurately, since even a small mistake can prevent the connection from working properly. If you're following secure business practices, it's also a good idea to double check that you're entering the details in the correct account before moving forward. When all required information has been entered, click Activate. This tells Shopify to connect your store to that payment provider and make it available in your payment settings. After activation, you should review the gateway settings to confirm everything is connected the way you expect. If your goal is specifically to use test mode, this setup process is the first part of getting the gateway in place, so you can then manage its testing options according to that provider's settings. And that's it. You've now gone to the Shopify payment settings area, found additional payment methods, selected a provider,